everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New project. Gonna try something I wanted to try for a while now. Instead of me telling you what it is I'm hoping to achieve, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. I'll tell you what I'm using, and I'm just gonna wait and see how it turns out with you. So I have a 20-ounce tumbler. I'm not sure what these are called. They're from Makerflow. They're a D-stash. And I've prepped it by sanding it, washing it, spray painting it black. And what I have here are some Woody's Goodies alcohol inks. We have Pink Lady, Kinky, Blue Hawaii, Mojito, Prosecco, Grasshopper, Drunken Elf, Yabba Dabba Doo, and Zombie. So we have those colors. And over here we have a couple whites. We have the Piñata Blanco, and we have a white pigment paste from Woody's Goodies called Running Man. So I'm gonna mix up some resin and you're gonna watch and see what happens. So I'm gonna put on my gear and all that stuff, so just sit back and enjoy the show. Hopefully we'll get something cool looking at the end. Stay tuned. And we're back. Let's see what we got. I'm so excited to see how this turned out. Ooh, oh my God, it's gorgeous. I was hoping I'd get something like this, but I really didn't know. Look at how beautiful it is. It's just, and there's a little bit of pink and a little bit of purple. You probably noticed a couple things. First of all, I didn't use all the colors I had planned to use. Out of there. At the last minute, I thought, you know, I've already put so many drops of alcohol ink on here. I'm just going to stop at this point. So there were a couple I never used. And I did not use any of the Running Man white pigment paste. I opted to just use the Piñata Blanco. I had such a tiny amount of epoxy I was mixing the white into. I thought this should be more than enough. And it worked perfectly. I'm just in love with this. Absolutely in love with this. I think this is just, oh my God, I'm in love. I was so excited to try this out. Let's see how the bottom turned out. It's pretty nice. I couldn't get as much white down there. And I didn't really want to overload the bottom with resin because I've done that before, trying to make sure I got all the colors of whatever it was I was doing on the bottom. And I ended up with too much resin and a wiggly bottom. No sparkles here. I did not put any Marabou glitter or Marabou rainbow sparkle additive in. I didn't put anything in. It was straight up clear resin. This was the KS Liquid Stone. I thought, you know, it's only got a 15-minute work time, and I was working on another tumbler as well. But that, I was thinking that would actually work in my favor because you can drop the alcohol inks on at any point. I was hoping the white, the little bit of epoxy I held aside to put the white alcohol ink in and then drizzle across the cup. I wanted it to be thicker. So, can't wait to do this again. Have to come up with some different color combinations. In fact, if you want to comment below on different color combinations you'd like to see with this same style, please do. We'll see what comes up next. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.